Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to show you my Breyerfest haul for 2025. So I couldn't go this year. I wanted to do an online version. Got some financial issues, so I couldn't go full blown. So I got the stablemate ticket to Breyerfest, and I got one of the. I think this one is Cava. I haven't seen him. So you got one stablemate with your ticket, and then access to all the online stuff. I liked it very much. I should do that every year because I can't go every year, and YouTube does not pay well enough for me to say I don't need a job. So this is Cava. It's an interesting box, and I think this is one of the 4 stablemates that they had for day exhibit. You know, when you bought a day ticket. So, it's a running thoroughbred. Any dapples or anything? I don't like that box. I'm not keeping that box. Glossy. Oh, he's got dapples. Glossy Dapple Bay running. I'm going to say Roman nose. I'm not sure what he is. He's got a Roman nose. He's not a thoroughbred. He's got to be Iberian of some sort. Huh. Well, he's really nice. Look at that. Eye whites. I don't know who they pay, but man, they got good eyesight to do those eye whites. So, yeah, he's pretty. Okay. And then when you get the stablemate ticket, you're also limited as to what you can buy for special runs and limited editions. And I have so many horses. There weren't many I saw that I wanted this year, so it's another good reason not to get a full ticket, because I really wasn't going to get any of the horses they did this year. But I did get this guy. My one and only purchase in the store. Really pretty. It doesn't even say, oh, Shindig. His name is Shindig. That's pretty cool, Shindig. Plastic. Oh, he's a beauty. He's a beauty. What happened to his ear? Why, that's like a real horse. He has a flaw. Oh, it's bent. I'm going to leave it bent because the way this plastic is, if I go to bend it back in shape, it'll probably break off. So I'm going to leave that like that. What a bummer. Because other than that, he's like perfect. Well, a little overspray right there. It's kind of an afterthought. It's like, oh, you should spray his mane after they already pulled off the mask. You should have done the mane and tail before you pulled off the mask. So he has to be a shelf piece. A little bent ear and then that overspray. Those are things people, if you're wondering about live show quality, those are the things people look at and go, oh, they'll never make it live. It's okay. He's my shelf piece. He's still beautiful. He's just not perfect. Isn't that lovely, though? It's a nice mold. I really like that. Okay. So, that's my whole haul for Breyerfest 2025. Thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have yourself a really good day.